come on. On your set.
Oh. Right.
Direct front, other bush line.
No David, no Callum, right? Let's get pressing on there.
Straight. Direct front, fastest bush line and next bush line covering the road.
Understood.
There's 3 of them in there.
You want to try and flank round the left, flank round the right. There's the Stargate over there, so we move to the Stargate.
Go to Stargate.
Right.
Push past you. Come past you. Cover and go.
1 down. Why is he walking off instantly? I thought you meant to wait a couple of seconds.
Yeah, keep going behind me. Move it to our front. On the way! The safety on the back of this and the plan grip, yeah. I'm assuming.
Yeah.
Hold that in, yeah. Right, twist your knot finally over me. Go ahead. Contact! Stuart, up behind you. David, Finlay!
Yep.
You guys push to that way, the barricades and fire down that way.
Push in.
Carmy!
Hi.
Move up to me!
Yep, 2 seconds. Quick, dials out.
I'm coming for you. Hey guys, cover me, I'm moving!
Finley, that's 1 out.
Finlay, moving to your right.
Right, okay, go. Go.
Can't see anything on the right. Thank you. Far right flank's clear. David! Yep. Possible movement. To your right, Gilly. Stop it. Yours. David, I'm pushing up here.
Copy. Stuart, are we wanting to grab that yellow?
Which one?
The one I shot, he's standing over there. Black top, tan, grey pants.
Point him out to me.
That guy there, I shot him.
Seen, understood. Yeah, we can try.
Let's go down.
You still in the game, Cammy?
Yeah?
You still in the game? Good, right.
What's the plan, boys?
Right, I'm going to push up to you.
Push the line generally forward.
Right.
We're going to grab that yellow. Is he coming towards us? That's a block.
No, there's another one behind that.
Right. Move up. Move up to in line with Cammy.
I'll fire him down on them, right? Okay. Then you get to a point where you think you can stop, okay? You stop and you fire, shout, and I'll come.
Okay.
Right? Let me get
Ready?
into position. Ready?
Move.
Go.
Moving. Straight ahead.
Move up.
Right, cover us.
Come on.
Oh, fuck, can't see you.
Pivoting over towards the right a bit.
Yeah, I just need to reconnect my
Good shot. Crossing.
Hey David, go, move it.
Ready?
Nice shot coming.
Cammy, you and I will watch on the sort of left. David, Finley, you guys can push up the middle.
Right.
Right, Cammy, come with me. Finley on me.
Come in. On your 6, 5 metres.
On here, Finley.
Hold in. I'm in the open.
Contact, one yellow moving back.
Roger that. Which position?
There's someone crawling to the damaged yellow.
He's out.
Be advised.
Yellow boonie out.
Right, I'm pushing up.
Copy, covering.
So, on your 10.
Hit!
Moving along, good, Cammy. Taking fire.
Medic!
Medic.
Come on, route boys.
Ready up.
There you come.
Hit. Stretch one. Right, Cammy. Cammy, Finley's down, we need to cover them. Where?
To the left.
Hit. David, Finley.
Finley's out, trying to revive him.
Right, get Finley back in then. Let me know.
Finley, go.
I'm going to get you, stay there. Right, David, redeploy around the back of me. I need to get Cammy back in. Finley, when you're back in, come to me as well. Keep yourself on the right, on the left of Cammy.
He's here. Nope, not him. To the left, to the left.
I see him, I see him.
Hat, both of them out. Good, they want to fucking runners of them there.
Move back, move back.
Stand up with your hat!
Ceasefire, guys!
Ceasefire!